Hey there, guys. This is my first live stream, and I decided to give you on this first live stream just an overview of InDesign and data merge, which is one of the strongest tools you can use for um, for prototyping cards and tiles and things like that. Now, I created this card in advance just to show you. So I have in this card, I have a picture and a frame, and that's nice. And if you don't know InDesign at all, it's pretty easy to do. But I'll just focus on data merge for this video. Um, so I want to have one text box over here that only has text in it, just a number. And I want to have a text box in here that will have text and pictures and then text and a picture and so on, because maybe I want to create a text here that will have icons embedded into it. So this is my goal, and we'll see how we're going to go by doing it. So achieving this goal. Um, so I'm going to show you my sheet that I prepared in Google using Google Drive Sheets app. And right now, it has a level, which will be the number on top. So I will just go and plop, let's say 0000 and 11111. For example, these are the 8 cards that I'm going to create. Now, you can see that level over here just says level. This is my title. This says text number 1, pick number 1. So you see the picture has a little at sign, a strudel sign, or whatever. I noticed that this icon has many names, but this sign in front of the name. Pick 1, T2, pick 2, T3, pick 3, and then T4. Let's say, for example, I want to have my level 1 card, level 0 card, just say, yeah, go to, and then let's say home. Okay, I'll just put the name of the image right here in the right here in the picture. Let's say go go to home. Okay, and pay one, let's say coin. Okay, and let's just put a period over here. So now I have this one card ready for me. Let's say that all of the cards, all the 0 cards will be, let's say they'll be the same. I actually don't need these two, so let's just go ahead and delete those. And let's say the level 1 card is go to home twice and don't pay coin at all. Okay, so we're doing this. I'm just gonna copy this. Oh, sorry. Let's copy this 2 more times. And now we have 8 cards that we have everything we need to make them. I just need 2 images, one called home and one called coin. And for this, let's just go to game icons. I did not prepare that in advance. Let's find home. Okay, this will be good enough. Let's just do this. Download this as a PNG. I have my game folder here, Man on the Moon. I'm going to place home in this folder. And that's just, it needs to be called home.png. It's already in PNG, so just call it home. And we need a coin. By the way, this site, you need to know this site. Let's go and say let's just take the coins. Or maybe, I don't like this one. It's nice, but I like it last. Let's do crown coin. So I'll download this. I'll put it in the folder right over here. Just call it coin. It's already a PNG, so we're good. And we have coin and we have home. So we have all the resources that we need. So we'll go back to our file over here. We need to download it or save it if you're using Excel or something like that, just as a CSV, as a comma separated value sheet. and I need to put that as well in the folder where the InDesign file is at. And right now you see research cards InDesign, and I'm going to see it over here, research cards. So I need to put the my coin and home, and the sheet doesn't have to be here, but it's just a lot easier to do it that way. Okay, so I'll just go into the data merge section over here. I'm going to select source, and I have Man on the Moon. I have the source over here, CSV. Yeah, and copy this over here, and you see I have all my titles. So you can see all the titles that are placed over here. You can see I have level and text one and blah 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 and all the rest. And now this part is the simplest part there is. I'm just going to do this and click on level. Now you don't see it, but I'll make this a little bit bigger so you can see it. So now it says it has brackets and level inside the brackets. That means that it will read whatever we put in the level column. And we'll do the same over here. Over here it will be a little bit trickier. I'm going to put text one, pick one. Oh, sorry. Text one, sep, space, pick one, space, T1, space, pick two, T3. Okay, so now we have everything we need, but you see that the size of the pictures and the size of the text, they're not the same at all. So I guess let's make the text a little bit bigger and make the pictures a whole lot smaller. Oh, sorry, let's just do this. Okay, so about 4 pixels. Let's just make them a little bit bigger so it'll be nicer. Okay, and the same over here. And now we're actually done. So you have your sheet and you have your file, and all we need to do right now, let's just save it so we have it. And I'm going to go to this small thing over here, and I'm going to just let's do export to PDF. Let's just full on. Now you can have, if you have the whole thing, all the records, all the 8 cards that we created, and let's just click OK. Never mind this right here. Yeah, so I'll just do this. These are my research cards. It thinks if there's nothing wrong, then you get this thing over here. If you have too much text for a box, or if you have some kind of problem with the records, you'll see it. These are 4 first cards. You can see over here. We're on page 4 now. Page 5 should be different. Okay, wonderful. Page number 5, we can see the next level. Yeah, and it's level number 1. Go to home twice and don't pay coins at all. Nice. Yeah, so we have our 8 cards, 2 types of cards, but just keep in mind, you can have as many as you wish. You can have as many pictures as you want. You can even have the background picture. You can select it and you can have different backgrounds. So if you're creating different types of card within the same file, that's also an option, and it's very simple. You'll just have it on lock. Now I can choose the background picture, and I can have a column over here saying background picture. Just don't remember you need to have the @ sign, and just place whatever I want in there. But right now I'll log in again, and basically that's it. Now you can have very simple or very intricate things inside this type of work. But when you start, I just suggest starting with something like that and just going up in difficulty as you get better and better. Okay, it was great to see you. Have fun. Make a lot of prototypes really fast, please. Bye bye.